All right, what's up, guys? Sanj here. Welcome to the channel. We have a package here from Iron Subs, and well, we have a package here from Iron Brothers Supplements, and they're who are doing our nootropics in our stimulant fat burners right now. So that's what we're taking in contest prep. Even though the shows might get canceled, but they sent us a package, so let's go ahead and open that up before we hit some legs today and see what we got. Check back forward all this, make it look cool. Wow. All right, we got a bunch of. Oh, that's pretty cool. Hey guys, check that out. Cool sticker. Then go in my car. That'll go in the gym actually. That's perfect. And man, these guys hooked us up. Look at that. Look at that. Perfect. Cool little magnet. And then their V2 pre-workout. And we have blackberry lemonade. Blackberry lemonade. A lot of blackberry lemonade. We have all blackberry lemonade. So I don't think I've ever had blackberry lemonade. So this is going to be new for me, and I'm assuming it's new for you. Here is the label for you guys to check it out. And from what I'm seeing, it's got some vitamin B12 and B6, which is supposed to help with carbohydrate absorption. So that's that. 16 grams per scoop. 4 grams of citrulline, clinical dose 3.2 of beta-alanine, betaine anhydrous 2700, a little bit higher than what I normally see. It's always good to see. Agmatine sulfate, right on par, 1 gram. Taurine as well, 1 gram. And 275 milligrams of caffeine. I'm not a huge caffeine fan, so it's nice to see it's under 300. And some other stuff I'm not particularly familiar with. So pretty excited to try this out. Thank you so much, Iron Brothers Supplements. Make sure you guys go check them out on Instagram. I will link it in the description. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you're in the Kansas City area, for now, until we move, if you're in the Kansas City area and you guys want to get one of these, let me know. Facebook group in the description. Join it. And I can hook you guys up with this as well. But that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.